Hey loves, your girl is back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing how I maintain my hair when it is straight and how I make it last for weeks. Just in case if you didn't catch my last video, I shared my natural hair straightening routine from start to finish, including wash day and a trim. So do be sure to check that out, but let's get straight into today's video, and first up, wearing my straight hair to bed. Now, one thing I never do when my hair is straight is go to bed with my hair left out. Not only can this be damaging because of the friction caused by my non-silk, non-satin pillowcase, but it can also be super drying on my hair, which of course I don't want. So I'm sure you guessed it, I go to sleep with my silk or satin headscarf, which keeps my hair smooth, compressed and protected. But before I even put my headscarf on, I do my bedtime hair care routine, which comprises of one of the following 3 methods. So first up, method 1, the traditional wrapping method. I'm sure so many of you guys are familiar with this. In this method, you comb your hair downwards, and then starting with small sections, you comb your hair in a circular motion to eventually form what looks like a beehive. I personally love this method because it really does help to maintain your hair. It keeps it smooth, it maintains the straightness, and your hair feels really flowy. But I don't do it too often because it does have a tendency to make my head feel quite tender-headed due to the combing of the hair in the opposite direction to which it grows. Nevertheless, it does give amazing results, so it's definitely worth a try. Next up, method 2, and what I call the double ponytail wrap. This is a super quick wrap whereby you comb your hair back and also downwards, and then you split it evenly at the back in 2 sections. Take each section with the opposite hand to create a cross, and then wrap the tail of each section towards the top of your head and secure it with a bobby pin, as well as securing any loose ends down with a bobby pin as well. This is my favorite method because it is so quick and also gives me similar results to when I do the traditional wrapping method, but without leaving my head tender-headed. Of course, to finish it off, I secure my headscarf and I am good to go. Last but not least, method 3. Now, I'd be lying to you guys if I said that there aren't days when I am too tired or can't be bothered to do one of the other methods. So this method is super simple. I simply put my hair into a top knot bun, and whilst this may give my hair a slight kink, I can easily follow it up with one of the other methods the next day and I'm back to straight kink-free hair again. So this is one for my sisters on a lazy day. So next we're going to be talking about the gym and showering, and this may seem quite obvious, but I'm just going to share it with you anyway. Whenever I go to the gym or whenever I'm in the shower, I will not have my hair left out like you can see in this clip. Instead, of course, I chuck on my headscarf, which helps to avoid humidity and my hair reverting back to its kinky, curly ways. One of the questions I've received the most is, how do I moisturize my hair when it's straight? Of course, using the same products we may use on our hair in a curly state, let's say for example aloe vera juice, will cause our straight hair to revert instantly. So I personally opt for products like serums or very small amounts of creams which have a lower water content and aren't too runny in consistency. I've listed a few in the description box just in case you're interested. Regardless of what product I use, I try to use this once a week or twice at the very most to avoid it weighing my hair down. My number 1 tip for when your hair is straight is before you straighten it, give it some really good deep conditioning. The likelihood is when your hair is straight, you're going to moisturize it less than you did when it was not straight. So if it's had some really good deep conditioning, it will be in the healthiest state possible and be able to withstand going with less moisture during the time when you're rocking it straight. Last but not the least, and especially for my sisters who live in humid countries or in countries like the UK where it rains a lot, I know the struggle when you're ready to go out and then you find out it is raining. Whilst umbrellas are great, the humidity in the air can still begin the reverting process, and that's where a good old hat can come in and save the day. So for example, I'll use the ponytail wrap method, chuck my headscarf on, and then top it off with a hat. And then when I arrive at the destination I'm going to, I'll quickly go to the ladies' room, take my hair down and style it, and I'm good to go. So guys, those are the different ways I maintain my hair when it's straight. How do you guys maintain yours? I would love to know, so do share in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.